Manufacturers of machine parts face many factors in trying to produce their components at a competitive price. Machines with higher spindle speeds, modern tooling with great coatings have helped them to achieve these cost reductions in making parts. But one of the biggest challenges they still face is setting up the part on the machine bed. And if you're doing multi-face machining, XYZ have a product that can help you reduce those setup times. The product is the UMC 5X. The UMC 5X product offered by XYZ is absolutely technology packed. It's got all the features that customers need when they're doing multi-side machining or even simultaneous 5-axis. And because we're independent, we can offer the right control solution for this particular machine. So XYZ are offering the machine with either Siemens control or Hyde 9. The UMC 5X offers a large machining envelope to suit either original equipment manufacturers or subcontractors alike. The X-axis of the machine has 600 millimeters of travel. The Y-axis also has 600 millimeters of travel, with the Z-axis having 500 millimeters of travel. All of the axes run on linear roller bearings, giving high accuracy but also fast rapid traverse rates. So the rapid traverse of the machine is 36 meters per minute. Feedback from the axis is done in a dual way, with both the rotary encoder off the motor, but also X, Y and Z have linear scales fitted as well. And due to the gantry style of the machine, the Y-axis is supported all the movement to the front of the machine. But if of course you are doing multi-sided machining or full simultaneous 5-axis, we do have an A and a C axis on this UMC product. The rotary table, the C axis, is a built-in motor. That allows us to rotate this table at 90 RPM maximum traverse. Very important when you're doing 5-axis simultaneous to make sure that you can keep your feed rates high and retain surface finishes. The A axis, the tilting axis, is worm and wheel and can go from minus 120 degrees to plus 120 degrees. So from horizontal, you can get at angles and drilled holes past horizontal if you need to do. In regards to cutting performance, the standard machine comes with an inline 15,000 RPM spindle. This has a BBT 40 spindle nose, so if you're putting high loads on the side of your cutter, you'll retain rigidity with the face and taper contact at the tool holder. The spindle motor's 35 kilowatts, giving loads of power for that cutting performance. As an option, the spindle can be changed to an HSK 63. But for those customers who need higher RPMs, we can fit an 18,000 or 24,000 HSK 63 spindle, which is motorized and also water cooled to reduce the heat buildup within the spindle head. And to ensure you get great productivity from a UMC 5X, there is a number of features on the machine, which include the tool changer, where we can offer 24, 30, 48 or even a 60 tool option. The tool changer is side mounted with an arm changer to keep your tool change down to a minimum amount of time. The machine also has through spindle coolant, 40 bar pressure as standard, with an option to increase that to 70 bar if required. With a washdown facility, all your swarf gets moved away to the front of the machine where it's extracted from the machining envelope with the standard swarf conveyor and collection bin, ensuring that your machine is cutting for as long as possible with a minimum amount of downtime. And because the ethos of the UMC 5X is rigidity, accuracy and repeatability, there are features built in that ensure we comply with those things. For example, there is a chiller for the spindle to ensure that the temperature remains constant. But to run alongside that, there are sensors mounted in the head that monitor the head temperature and apply thermal compensation to the Z-axis if it sees a change of temperature. There is also sensors in the head to monitor vibration within the spindle. So if you were to lose any of your cutting edges or even get a catastrophic failure of your tool, the machine will slow down or even stop if the worst was to happen. And to help protect your investment, no matter whether you have Siemens or Hyde 9 controls fitted, dynamic collision detection is standard on the control. So it will reduce the opportunity for somebody to hit the head into the table or the workpiece. Also, to protect your operators and other members of the shop floor, the machine comes with an oil skimmer as standard. And there's an option to have a roof on the machine to keep all the coolant atomized in the machining area and fit a filter mist system. So in summary, the XYZ UMC5X is feature packed to benefit machine shops who are manufacturing multi-phase components or even doing simultaneous 5-axis. If you'd like to know more about this product, use the details on the screen to get the latest catalogue from XYZ or to arrange a demonstration at one of our showrooms located around the country.